In Easel Pro, tiling is used to carve a workpiece that is larger than the machine area. The tiling controls activate whenever the workpiece length entered is larger than the machine work area. So you can see our machine is a 500 by 500 millimeter, but our actual workpiece is 235 by 1838 millimeters, so a lot bigger. And when that happens in Easel Pro, you get this new menu that we call tiling. And here you can see 4 separate tiles that are set up that are going to allow you to cut this shape out. So right now, the first one is set up and is also purple, but if you select a different one, you can see that that purple square moves, and then our machine area in light blue still stays the same. And so you are able to go through and carve each of these tiles out individually. And then Easel Pro automatically calculates the size of these tiles depending on your machine size and then your actual workpiece. Now, because these tiles are selectable, you can actually determine the order that you want to carve these out. You just select which tile you want to use, and then you go into your carve settings. And there's one other setting called overlap, which adds a 1-inch overlap between the 2 tiles to give you a better transition between the 2. You can see when we have this one selected, that is our entire machine area. And when you select this one, you can see that 1-inch overlap between the light blue machine and then the actual purple of our second tile. Now, there will be some cases where the workpiece is larger, but the design area of the workpiece is smaller than the machine work area. In that case, you can select entire material, and then you can cut this out just like it was a standard piece. So then with our first tile selected, you can go into our carve menu, and then you get this new align material setting, which is giving you a distance from the bottom of the machine that you need to move your workpiece. So in this case, you need to move your entire workpiece down 0 millimeters because we are at the very bottom. But if we go into our next piece, go into those same settings, and you can see that we need to move it down 480 millimeters or 18.89 inches. And then that number will update depending on what tile you are using.